Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code on the Grubhub app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a promo code on the Grubhub app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Next, there's multiple ways you could actually do it. So let's click on this restaurant here and add some items. When you add an item, then land on this page here, click on the button that says add promo code, then click on add promo code again. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and enter your promo code. Click on apply, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a promo code on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.